Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do a quick video to show you how we can do t-shirt designs, and it's going to be a t-shirt design tutorial for beginners, and it's going to use my one of my favorite platforms, Adobe Spark. So it's going to be exciting, and you'll see that very quickly in under 5 minutes you can actually have your very own t-shirt design custom to whatever you feel you want to put on a t-shirt. Okay, so let's begin. Now the first thing is sign up for your very own free Spark account, Adobe Spark account at spark.adobe.com, and then log in. Before we begin the actual design, get the dimensions from your print on demand or whatever printer you've got. So in this case we'll use Merch by Amazon as the example. These are the requirements. So what we want is over here 4500 by 5400 pixels. All right, so let's just go back. So 4500 is the width and 5400 is the height. Just click on the plus button, custom graphic design, and we said the width was 4500. Make sure you're in pixels, and the height at 5400, and it will bring this page up. What you need to do is click on this watermark, remove once, and it brings up a sales page. Now I'm just sticking to the free version. You can check out what Adobe has, and they've got excellent additions, but for our purposes we don't need that for now, so just click the X. Now here we go. Just add something like text or icons or photos. So in this case, let's just go with text. I want it very plain, very easy for everyone to use, and we will stick with our law niche. All right. I'm going to go with something kind of humorous, also because the U.S. elections are today, and we'll find out who the next president is either tomorrow or in the coming weeks. But let's go with something like real men obey the law. Okay, real men obey the law. There you go. So I'm going to make that bigger. All right. Oh, incidentally, now most of the shirts that sell best, if you want to sell it, usually have a black background. So let's just go with the black background so we can see what we're working with. I do not want the black sort of greenish, grayish backing shape, so click None. That removes it, and there we have it. You can actually just play around with this and see what you're going for. I'm not going to spend too much time, but you can play with the letter spacing, the line spacing. You can play with all these capitalize and fit sort of styles. I'm going to use this wheel. I love the wheel, and you can add a secondary color, which I must admit, this is one of the best perks of using Adobe Spark, right? So you've got that, and then you can just turn the wheel, and it will show you all the kind of combinations that you might like. Okay, so you could even go with something like that. All right. Now, just a soft plug here. If you really want to elevate your graphics, okay, I would recommend. This is my favorite platform at the moment because the licensing itself is so straightforward. So Creative Fabrica, I've got an affiliate link below, and you get a discount if you choose one of these subscription packages. But their print on demand, the full print on demand license is unbeatable at the moment. Basically, the graphics, fonts that you use under the full print on demand license with Creative Fabrica, you can use it as is. You may not want to use it as is. You may want to combine it with other things just to make your graphics stick out and stand out a bit more. But you can sort of sleep easy knowing that you can use those graphics and the license is rock solid. Okay, so I'll include a link to Creative Fabrica below. But there we have it. That is your design. Okay, you can click on download PNG and start download. Make sure it's a transparent PNG, and you are good to go. that is your t-shirt design tutorial. So if you're a beginner, do not be scared of the design process. Just get stuck in, choose a print-on-demand provider, get your graphics or fonts. Make sure the license is very good. The print-on-demand license by Creative Fabrica is excellent. I've got a 20% discount for the full subscription. If you're interested in that, no obligation, but it does support the channel a bit. But there we have it. Feel free to use Adobe Spark for your t-shirt designs. I'm gonna include a video if Adobe Spark isn't really your thing. You prefer something like Canva, which is another one of my favorite platforms. It's also completely free. I will include a link to Canva t-shirt designs tutorials that you can check out next. Alright, so there we have it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.